Let me guess. You are new to the Nikilive app and you don't know how to get started, right? And if I'm right, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll give you a quick tour of the app and share some tips to help you get started. Let's dive in. What is Nikilive app? Nikilive is a live streaming platform that connects you with a global community. You can stream your content live, interact with your audience in real time, and even make money with virtual gifts. Whether you're into gaming, music, cooking, or even just chatting, there's a space for you here. First things first, let's get you set up. Download the Nikilive app through the link I'll be leaving in the comment section and description of this video. Once installed, sign up using your email or social media accounts. Do not forget to customize your profile. A catchy username will help you stand out. Now that you're in, let's explore the app. The homepage features trending live streams and recommended channels. Swipe left to discover more content and tap on any stream to join in. You can send messages, share emojis, and even send virtual gifts to show your support.
Alright, so after you've registered your account, you successfully edited your profile, you're giving yourself a catchy title, and then you must have added my logo as an agent. That's if you want me to be your agent. So the next thing for you to do is to join the agency. That's if you've not joined the agency. And to join the agency, you will send me your ID on WhatsApp, and then I'll add it to the agency and then tell you what to do next. Why do you need to join an agency? An agent is one who teaches you all you need to know about the Nikilive app. Okay, just in case you're confused, they put you through on everything you need to know. They're like your teacher and guide on the Nikilive apps. Now, apart from joining the agency, we also have a club on Nikilive which you can join. All right, so apart from your normal tasks, you have club tasks to complete, which you can get rewards for completing each and every of your club tasks in your club.
Ready to go live? Tap the go live button at the bottom of the screen. You give a stream a catchy title, you choose a category, and you're all set. During your stream, you interact with your viewers by responding to their comments and keep the energy high to keep them engaged.
To host a party on the Nikilive app, we have to follow the same process. We click on the camera, but this time we click on party. Then we can choose how many seats we want opened in this party. As you can see here, we have different seats. We have 9 seats, we have 6 seats, we have 4 seats. So you can choose any one. And also do not forget to put in a catchy title. And then before anything, or before you can be able to live stream, you need to upload your cover. That is what you can see. I pointed in the arrow there. So those are the things you need to put in mind. Then when you're ready, you click on go live, and then your party starts. That's basically how to host a party on the Nikilive app.
Invite friends to join Nikki and earn rewards together. The invitation function makes it easy to share the app with your network. You both receive rewards and bonuses for participating. You could earn up to $14.5 per friend you refer to this app. So, who will you invite first? Invite friends and get rewarded for growing their community. Share the fun and earn together. And earn real money through their revenue mechanism. Cash out, prizes, and more. Here are a few tips to get the most out of Nikilive. Engage with your audience, be consistent, and promote your stream. And that's it for this quick guide. Nikilive is a fantastic platform to express yourself and connect with others. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring and have fun. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.
Happy streaming!